You will never speak good English.
Maybe, but I will try. Good morning. Newspaper for today? I hope today will be better.
Sir, would you like a newspaper?
No, not today. It smells so good. I must sell more first. Say something in English.
Good morning, newspaper for you.
Newspaper for you? I am still learning. Why is it so hard? I want to speak better.
I made mistakes today, but I will practice.
Good morning, everyone. No. Again.
Hello, how are you today? Speak clearly, slowly.
Confidence, practice, future. One day, I will speak well. I am not afraid anymore. I will improve every day.
Good morning. Newspaper for today? I can do this.
Free library? Maybe I can learn here. So many books. I want to read English books.
Do you need help?
I want to learn English.
Please read this sentence.
My name is Daniel.
That was very good. Very good.
Really? Practice makes me better. I will not give up. The economy is growing. What does economy mean?
Good morning, sir. How can I help you? That sounded better. Still learning English? Yes, and I am improving. Good morning, sir. Would you like today's newspaper? Yes, thank you.
Your English is good. Where did you learn it?
I practice every night.
Would you like to work after school?
Yes, sir. I would. Would.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Why do you want this job?
I want to learn and help my family.
What will you do if you fail?
I will try again.
You have the job.
Thank you, sir. Mom, I got the job!
I am so proud of you.
English changed my life. I will keep learning. If people laugh at you, do not stop. Keep learning. Keep trying.